there, foodies! Welcome back to Recipe Roadmap. Today we've got something that's going to blow your taste buds away. The ultimate shepherd's pie. Are you ready to take your taste buds on a culinary journey? Let's dive right in. First, let's round up our ingredients. You're gonna need ground beef, onions, carrots, peas, corn, garlic, rosemary, and thyme for that incredible flavor explosion. Time to get cooking. Brown that beef, add in the onions, carrots, and garlic. Saute until they're dancing with flavor. The star of the show, our mashed potatoes, creamy, buttery, and oh so dreamy. Whip those spuds to perfection, and then the secret weapon, a sprinkle of cheese. It's the stuff dreams are made of. Now let's layer it up. Beef and veggie mixture at the bottom like a hearty foundation. On top, those luxurious mashed potatoes. Spread them out like a cozy food blanket. Time for the oven. Pop that baby in at 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius. And let the magic happen for 25-30 minutes. When it's out, you'll have a crispy golden masterpiece that's pure comfort food. And here it is! The ultimate shepherd's pie with that golden cheesy crust and a savory hearty filling. Your taste buds are about to do a happy dance. Serve up a big scoop and watch your guests' eyes light up. This dish is a crowd pleaser, a showstopper, and a taste sensation all in one. That's a wrap, foodies! I hope you're as excited as I am to make this ultimate shepherd's pie. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more amazing recipes right here on Recipe Roadmap. Until next time, happy cooking.